All right, you guys, it's me, one and only J.A. I'm back. Got my oldest with me this time, so it'll be a lot easier than the last time because my youngest couldn't seem to stay on my back. So here's my son. Right here, say what's up, King Jordan, to the YouTube family.
What's up?
I don't know why his shirt's so dirty, but yeah. Yeah, we're about to bust out these push-ups, man. So Jay, get on my back so I could bust out some push-ups. Like I said, man, the younger one, he wasn't really capable of staying on. Like, here we go. He has his money with him. He's about dollars.
He about dollars.
All right, Jill, you gotta stay on. I guess they both want to get on. You guys gotta stay on. Ready? Sit. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me do 20 of them. 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
19.
18, 19, 20. One more. That's 23. So we got here 1,000 total. You already know what it is. You know, you don't need no cap. Feel me? Say money sign, man. You know, we get paper. You know, 20s, ones, whatever. You know, we get money physically, financially, spiritually, and mentally, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a family affair. You got anything to say to him? Come on, say something.
What's up?
Are you that close to the camera? Stop here.
No, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flex.
All right, come on. Gotta take off your shirt to flex. Can't flex that dirty shirt. Show your muscles. We getting hub out here, man. There you go. Look at that ripness. Look at that chest, man. Look at that. Look at those pecs. Feel me? Beast mode. We drink Muscle Tech too. Vanilla ice cream. It's the best flavor.